Welcome to Session 10, Discounts, Tax, Tips, Markup, Percent Change, and Simple Interest. Applied percent problems often contain more than one quantity: original amount, amount of change, and final amount. Keeping those rules separate is the central skill. Sequential percent changes must be applied to the amount that exists at each stage. By the end, you will be able to do the following: calculate discounts, taxes, tips, and markups. Distinguish the amount of change from the final amount. Compute percent increase and decrease using the original as the reference. 3 ideas organize the lesson. First, successive percent changes apply to changing base amounts. Percent change compares the change with the original value. Simple interest depends on principal, annual rate, and time. Worked example 1. An $800 laptop is discounted 15% and then taxed 7%. Multiply by 0.85 for the discount, then by 1.07 for the tax. The final price is $727.60. Check. The tax is applied to the sale price, not the original price. Worked example 2. A value rises from 70 to 84. The change is 14. Divide the change by the original value, 70, and multiply by 100%. The increase is 20%. Check. 20% of 70 is 14. Worked example 3. For $1,200 at 5% simple interest for 3 years, use interest equals principal times rate times time. The interest is $180. Check. 5% of $1,200 is $60 per year. 3 years gives 180. Watch for this common error: adding discount and tax percentages as if they share the same base. Correction. Apply each percentage in sequence to the current amount. Use this routine. Name the target and units. Choose a relationship. Calculate with clear steps. Then estimate and verify. Separate original, change, and final values. Apply the correct multiplier or interest relationship, and verify the direction and approximate size of the change. For more lessons and focused practice, visit bridge2exam.com.